எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Now we are in the second class, second lesson of first standard English. Okay. Mm, lesson name, lesson పేరు play time. Play time అన్న విளையாட்டு நேரம். Okay, let's see from here. What is there? I like to play with Chittu. I enna naan. Okay. With Chittu means Chittu wooden. Play you already know. விளையாட்டு. Okay. விளையாட. Like means விரும்பு. Okay. நான் சிட்டுவுடன் விளையாட விரும்புகிறேன். Okay. That is in Tamil. Okay. Next thing. Do you like to play with your friends? Do you like to play with your friends? Friends means நண்பர்கள். Okay. So நீங்கள் you means நீங்கள், உங்கள் நண்பர்கள், உங்கள் means your. Okay. நண்பர்கள் you already know, friends. நீங்கள் உங்கள் நண்பர்களுடன், with means உடன், right? நீங்கள் உங்கள் நண்பர்களுடன் விளையாட விரும்புகிறீர்களா? ரைட். நீங்கள் உங்கள் நண்பர்களுடன் விளையாட விரும்புகிறீர்களா? ரைட். That is question mark. See, Chittu means it's not a human. This goat, small goat, right? Pet, right? Last class we have seen pets, right? In English it is called pet, right? Look and say, what is there? Tell me. Tank means totti, right? Sky, vaanam. Sky means vaanam. Kite, kaatadi, right? Tree enna maram, tree, right? Girl, where is girl? Pen, okay, pen. Swing, ஊஞ்சல், right? This is ஊஞ்சல். Bench and bench, okay. Bat is also okay. Mattai is also okay. Okay, mattai in Tamil. Bat you can also call it as bat. Okay. Boy, paiyan. Boy means paiyan. Dog, nai. Nai. Okay, that is the sound. Slide means charukku. Okay, this one is slide. Okay, where we will get down, right? Charukku. Top is very top. This is top. Pongaram. Okay. Clouds here. Magangal. Cloud and magam. Clouds plural. Magangal. Okay. Sun, Suryan. Van, okay. Gate, Vair Kadavu. Okay, Vair Kadavu. Entrance gate. Okay. Balloon and balloon. Ball also, and Pandu. Okay, Pandu is in Tamil. Marbles, Palingugal, right? Bicycle, Midivandi. Bicycle and Midivandi. Let us sing. Naam Paduvom. Sing means Padu. As means Naam. Okay. Naam Paduvom. Let us sing in Naam Paduvom. Let me sing it first in English. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, skip and run and turn around. Bup, 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 bup. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, skip and run and turn around. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, hop and jump and turn about. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, bend and stretch and play a game. Come, let us play together and have fun. Okay. Uh, let's see it now. Clap your hands. Kai tattungal. Okay. Kai is hands, you already know. Clap means tattu. Okay. Kai tattungal. Okay. Nengal kai tattungal. Otherwise, kai tattungal. Stamp your feet. Nengal, no, not nengal. Ungal. Ungal kai tattungal. Stamp your feet. Ungal கால்களை மிதிக்கவும். Okay. Stamp means மிதிக்கு. Okay. Feet கால்கள். Okay. Foot is கால், feet is plural, கால்கள். Stamp is there, right? மிதிக்கவும், right? Skip and run. தவிரித்து ஓடு. தவிரித்து ஓடு. Run means ஓடு. Okay. And turn around. மற்றும் திரும்ப. Okay. Again, clap your hands. உங்கள் கை தட்டுங்கள். Stamp your feet. உங்கள் கால்களை மிதிக்கவும். Hop and jump. Okay. Hop means tattu. Okay. Jump means kudi. Okay. And turn about. Okay. Turn about means மற்றும் திரும்ப. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, bend and stretch. வளைந்து நீட்டவும். Okay. வளைந்து நீட்டவும். And play a game. And means மற்றும் ஒரு விளையாட்டு விளையாட. விளையாட்டு is play, right? ஒரு விளையாட்டு விளையாட. விளையாட்டு is game. Okay. விளையாட means play. That's it. Right. That's it. Come, let us play together and have fun. Okay. Come means va. Varungal. Okay. When there are many, varungal. நாம் ஒன்றாக விளையாடி மகிழ்வோம். Okay. நாம் ஒன்றாக means united or together. Okay. நாம் means us. We, us. Okay. விளையாடி means play. மகிழ்வோம் means have fun. Okay. மகிழலாம். நாம் ஒன்றாக விளையாடி மகிழலாம். Okay. The dogs are playing cricket. See here, all are dogs, right? Oh, they are saying yes. Dogs are playing cricket. The rat wants to join. Okay. The dogs are playing cricket. நாய்கள் கிரிக்கெட் விளையாடுகின்றன. நாய்கள் கிரிக்கெட் விளையாடுகின்றன. Okay. The rat wants to join. Rat means எலி. Okay. எலி சேர விரும்புகிறது. Okay. Virumbu means like, right? Join means share. Okay. Then this guy is asking something. Eli is asking to this dog. What is he asking? May I play with you? Oh, so what a sharp tone. What a pleasant voice. May I play with you means நான் உன்னுடன் விளையாடலாமா. நான் உன்னுடன் விளையாடலாமா. This dog is saying something. But the game has started. Sorry, you're late. Oh, what is he saying? But the game has started. But means ஆனால் விளையாட்டு தொடங்கியது. Okay. Game has started. தொடங்கியது. Okay. விளையாட்டு means game. தொடங்கியது. Sorry, you are late. மன்னிக்கவும், சாரி மீன்ஸ் மன்னிக்கவும், நீங்கள் தாமதமாகி விட்டீர்கள். ஓகே, தாமதம் மீன்ஸ் லேட், தாமதமாகி விட்டீர்கள். ஓகே, the rabbit is flying a kite. Here the rabbit is flying a kite, முயல், right, rabbit. The rat wants to join. Okay, so முயல் காத்தாடி பறக்கிறது. காத்தாடி is kite, பறக்கம் means flying. Okay, rabbit is முயல், முயல் காத்தாடி பறக்கிறது. The rat wants to join. Again, எலி சேர விரும்புகிறது. He is asking something to the rabbit. What is he asking? May I fly? May I fly your kite? May I fly your kite? May I fly your kite means நான் உங்கள் காத்தாடி பறக்கட்டுமா? May I fly your kite? காத்தாடி, flight, kite, sorry, not flight, kite. முயல் என்ன சொல்லுவார்? But I have only one. But means ஆனால், I have என்னிடம், one means ஒன்று, ஒன்று மட்டுமே, only means மட்டுமே, உள்ளது. ஓகே, ஆனால் என்னிடம் ஒன்று மட்டுமே உள்ளது. ஓகே, next, the monkeys are swinging on the tree. Monkeys means kurangu is monkey, kurangugal is monkeys, plural. Okay, on tree is maram, so மரத்தில் ஆடுகின்றன, swinging means ஆடு. Okay, குரங்குகள் மரத்தில் ஆடுகின்றன. Okay, the rat again wants to join means எலி சேர விரும்புகிறது. எலி went to again kurangu, kurangu means monkey, and telling something. May I play with you? Okay, நான் உன்னுடன் விளையாடலாமா? Play means விளையாட, right? நான் உன்னுடன் விளையாடலாமா? So this monkey is saying, but rats cannot swing. But means ஆனால், rats means illegal, ஊசலாட முடியாது. They cannot swing. Okay, ஊசலாட முடியாது, cannot is முடியாது. The frogs are playing hopscotch. The rat wants to join. When frogs are playing this one. Okay, right, சில்லு விளையாட்டு. ஓகே, ஸோ தவளைகள் சில்லு விளையாட்டு விளையாடுகின்றன. ஓகே, the rat wants to join means எலி சேர விரும்புகிறது. எலி again went to தவளை means frog. Okay, asking it, may I hop with you? means நான் உன்னுடன் துள்ளலாமா? May I hop with you means நான் உன்னுடன் துள்ளலாமா? This frog is saying something. No, only two can play this game. Means இல்லை means no. இரண்டு பேர் மட்டுமே இந்த விளையாட்டை விளையாட முடியும். இரண்டு பேர் means two people. Okay, இந்த விளையாட்டு, this game, இந்த means this, விளையாட்டு game, விளையாட முடியும், விளையாட means play, முடியும் means can, possible, with only two people. Okay, the rat is building a sand castle. Everyone wants to join him. Okay, எலி ஒரு மணல் கோட்டையை உருவாக்குகிறது. ஓகே, sand castle is மணல் கோட்டை. ஓகே, is creating one sand castle. Create is உருவாக்குகிறது. Okay, everyone joins to him. Everyone means எல்லாரும். Okay, avarudan, with him means join, everyone wants to join him. Avarudan chera, join means chera. Virumbugirargal, okay, virumbu means wanting, okay, longing, okay. So எல்லோரும் அவருடன் சேர விரும்புகிறார்கள். I will play alone. This rat is saying, I will play alone. Means நான் தனியாக விளையாடுவேன். நான் தனியாக means alone. விளையாடுவேன். I will play alone. This Muil is saying, hey, look at that sand castle. Oh, means A, அதை பாருங்கள் ஒரு மணல் கோட்டை. அதை பாருங்கள் means look at that. Par means look, okay, அதை, that, okay. Sand castle means மணல் கோட்டை, மணல் கோட்டை, okay. He is saying something. Shall we join him? நாம் அவருடன் சேருவோமா? Shall we join him means நாம் அவருடன், அவருடன், okay, சேருவோமா. The rat invites everyone to play with him. எலி தன்னுடன் விளையாட அனைவரையும் அழைக்கிறது. எலி தன்னுடன், with him, தன்னுடன் means விளையாட, to play, அனைவரையும், everyone, okay. அழைக்கிறது means inviting, okay. This guy, this is this dog? Yes. Oh, let us play together. He's saying something. Let us play together. நாம் ஒன்றாக விளையாடலாம். ஒன்றாக means together, united, okay. விளையாட means play. Let us, நாம் means us or we. Playing together is always fun here, okay. ஒன்றாக விளையாடுவது எப்போதும் வேடிக்கையாக உள்ளது. ஒன்றாக means together, விளையாடுவது means playing. எப்போதும், எப்போதும் means always, okay, every time, always. வேடிக்கையாக fun உள்ளது, okay. Let us understand means நாம் புரிந்து கொள்வோம். Understand means புரிந்து, right? Okay. Listen to the teacher and tick the correct picture. Teacher didn't say anything. Didn't say anything. Circle the right word. Picture ki word ki match பண்ணலாம். You got the point, right? Oh, where? Not highlight test. We'll go with this vowel first. Then we will not take that vowel. We will take a tick mark instead. This is swing, right? Unjal. This is tick mark. Circle the right word, not tick mark. Okay, we'll circle. What's the big deal? What's the big deal? No, this is not circle. You won't agree. You won't agree. I won't agree. Okay, circled it successfully. But this is marble. This is not ball. Okay, yeah, that is marble. Okay, that is not ball. This is not kite. This is ball. Right, this is ball. Marble anna marble. Yeah, in English it is marble. In Tamil, Kolikundu. Ball, pandu. Okay, swing, unjal, you already know. Next one is kite. Right, this is not swing, this is kite. Kite means kathadi. Okay, this is sand castle, not bat. Sand castle. Okay, sand castle anna மணர் கட்டை. இது ஒரு bat. Bat means bat or மட்டை. Who flies a kite? That you have to answer. Listen, think and say. Okay. Um who where who flies a kite? Okay, who flies a kite? காத்தாடி பறப்பவர். Hmm? Go back and see. Kite, is it dog? நாய்ங்கள்? No, they are playing. Muyal. Muyal means rabbit. Okay, you have to answer it in English. Yes, in English. Who flies a kite? Rabbit. Okay. Who has a bat? Dog. Who has a bat means Anna? Bat Vaithirupuvar. Okay. Bat means Matte. Matte Vaithirupuvar. Who builds a sand castle? That is Eli. Eli means rat. Okay. Manal Aran Amaipavar. Okay. Who do you like in the story? Why? கதையில் நீங்கள் யாரை விரும்புகிறீர்கள்? ஏன்? Why means எதனால்? ஏன்? Okay. கதையில் நீங்கள் யாரை விரும்புகிறீர்கள்? Who? Mouse. Okay. Everyone is not interested to join with the mouse. Okay, but he made sand castle and he invited everybody, right? So that is the reason why uh, we like I like my mouse in the story. Okay, that is what you have to write in English. Okay, not in Tamil. Okay, first you think in Tamil and then convert it into English. Anyway, that is fine. Next one, do you like to play alone or with friends? Why? நீங்கள் தனியாக அல்லது நீங்கள் தனியாக அல்லது நண்பர்களுடன் விளையாட விரும்புகிறீர்களா? ஏன்? You want to play alone or with friends? ஏன்? Okay, you can choose answer between these two, but you have to tell the reason. Okay, the reason changes from person to person, right? That's why I'm not answering this question. Okay, this is for you. Think zone, what comes next? Okay, let's see what comes next. See, this is neelam. Idu red. Neelam, red. Neelam, again this is red. Okay, red comes here. This is yellow. Yeah, yellow, red, green. Pachai. Okay, again yellow, red, green. This one is green. Okay, sequence, right? Now alphabet story. There is a jaguar. Jaguar means jaguar only. Okay, jaguar ulladu. A kangaroo hops along the path. Kangaroo means kangaroo only. ஒரு கங்காரு பாதையில் ஓடுகிறது. Hops along the path. We are saying ஓடுகிறது, running. Okay, he passes a lion sleeping on the tree. This is lion. Okay, J for jaguar, K for kangaroo, L for lion. Like that you have to understand. He passes a lion sleeping in the grass. Okay, அவர் புல்லில் உறங்கும் சிங்கத்தை கடந்து செல்கிறார். Okay, அவர் புல்லில் means grass. Okay, our means he. Okay, உறங்கும் means sleeping. சிங்கத்தை, singam means lion. கடந்து செல்கிறார் means he passes. Okay, next M for monkey. Okay, a monkey climbs a tree to find a nut. N for nut. Okay, monkey means குரங்கு. ஒரு குரங்கு ஒரு கொட்டை கண்டுபிடிக்க மரத்தில் ஏறுகிறது. ஏறு means climbing. Okay, கொட்டை means nut. Okay, கண்டுபிடிக்க means find out. Okay, an owl looks at him. An owl looks at him. ஒரு ஆந்தை. Owl means ஆந்தை அவரை பார்க்கிறது. Okay, looking at him. பார்க்கிறது அவரை. Okay, a parrot, O for owl. Okay, P for parrot, Q for quail. A parrot and a quail dance on a branch. Okay, ஒரு கிளையில், கிளையில் means branch. Okay, ஒரு கிளி மற்றும் ஒரு காடை நடனம். கிளி is parrot, காடை is quail. Okay, nadanam means dance. Dance, dance, dance. A little rabbit runs into a hole. R for rabbit, runs into a hole. ஒரு சிறிய மயில், சிறிய means little. Okay, முயல் means rabbit. ஒரு சிறிய முயல் ஒரு துளைக்குள் ஓடுகிறது. துளை means hole. ஓடு means run. Okay, so that's it guys. We will cover the remaining portion of this lesson in the next class. நன்றி, வணக்கம். See how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.